Today we are going to be installing clear headlights and LEDs in the running lights for the TSX. So I have to take the bumper off, take the grill off, and then there's like 3 or 4 bolts. The rest of the video might be overlay, like voiceover. So let's get started on with today's project. Start off with, you need to get all these retainer clips off, and that there's gonna be more, but all these retainer clips, and then your grill should come out, which I didn't even realize my grill was loose like this, so that's kind of funny. And there's a bolt right here that you have to come and get. That's right here, but with my bumper, obviously they put like some glue on it, so this side doesn't even have it. And you pull back on this, it's weird. So I'm gonna pull these off, and then there's gonna be a 10mm. There's 2 10mm on the top you have to get, and then there's one on the side, and I believe one on the bottom. So let me get the bumper off, and then I'll show you what else you guys have to do. Alright guys, so I got the bumper mostly off. The thing is why this side isn't off. As you can, well, I guess it came out. I didn't even realize that. I'm gonna have to pop that back in. You see that? Oh my god. Yeah, there's like this fucking glue. If you can see that, like that glue, all that shit. It's like legit all over the place. There, like, Jesus. Like, if you look, it's just glue there, and if you come to the other side, it's just all that is just glue, which sucks, because, like, obviously, if you look, turn up the brightness, and I'll take this away, actually, but if you look at the bumper, it doesn't have the retaining clips like how it's supposed to, like how it has it right here. So that's no biggie. I'll just get a new bumper. But let me go ahead and take these lights out. Alright guys, so it is the next day, and I did in fact get the headlights in. Pain in the ass, and my phone ran out of storage, so the rest of the install was cut short. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this out, and we're gonna go take some cinematics and just give an honest opinion on it, and like quality, installation, price, and yeah, so let's go take some cinematics. So with the clear headlights, you get them for $160, give or take, off of eBay. Which, I mean, it's a fair price, of course. So with pricing, I'm gonna rate it out of 5. Pricing, I would give it a 4. So with now quality, with the, I've actually had, this is my second set of clears for a TSX. With the first one, they fit really good. Now with these, they also do fit really good. So with just that, a solid 5 for being able to fit and not have to worry about anything. Quality. So yeah, quality, solid 5. So installation.
Installation, if you do not have problems like I did, it's simple. It's 4 bolts. 4 bolts. 4 10mm bolts and 2 screws and a whole bunch of push pins if your car is not molested. So I would give installation, with if you do not have any problems, a solid 5. So with that, I'll do the numbers and whatever right here. I think it would probably be like a 4.8 like overview. But for quality, price, and installation, it's all relatively easy, and it looks fantastic. Fantastic. Well worth the $160. And I mean, you can't go wrong with clears. Clear the world. So here's the actual, we're gonna say, just the screenshot of the actual product, and then I'll leave a link in the description below. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I hope you guys stay tuned for the next one. Make sure to check out the video of me actually doing an overview of the TSX. And yeah, stay tuned with the video of the TSX. Gonna go everything that I still need to do, everything like pros and cons with it, and whatever else I can think of. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned, be safe, make sure to like and subscribe. Tell your friends, and enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.